Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's actually what someday I'm gonna go hang out with my husband. It's a Sunday and then we're just gonna go have dinner. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna use Burning Burgundies from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, which looks like so. I'm gonna go into this shade. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Y210 and I'm gonna go into the darker shade and put it right here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my inner corner right here. And do the same thing here. Okay, that is that. I'm gonna use this brush. This is actually a 7.5 round shader brush from Rae Morris, and I'm just gonna like blend this. It's just a big old fluffy brush. And then back to this. And then back to this. Now, I'm gonna put a little glitter glue. On this is a Y215. I'm actually gonna use this. This is from Peaches, I think, like glitter, and then this one is called Selfie. And I'm just gonna put glitter here. Ooh. It's a lot. I'm just gonna buff it up a bit. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and I'm gonna use this foundation from Glossier. It is, let me look because it's in the bottom. Stretch Fluid Foundation, and my shade is medium 10-4. This has a pump, and I'm gonna use my Love is in the Air foundation brush. So when I first got this foundation, I got a shade that was like really light. That's when I was doing like my foundation Fridays. And then I returned it and I got a darker shade. Back to the not a lot of foundation to the forehead. This is not a heavily like, it's like a medium coverage. Very light. Very light. Man, I have the biggest pimple here. And then for concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. Right here. And then I'm gonna use still this, but in just a different shade. This is like pretty much done. But we're gonna use everything that's in there. And this is literally $32. And then I'm gonna use my Fashion Fear to contour my face, and this is on a Flawless Concealer brush from Lithe or Lithe. And just go into the perimeter of my head, or my, yeah, almost back. This brush is like perfect for this. I don't really contour like my nose heavily, and that's fine. Then I'm gonna use this E4 brush from Morphe and this. Tap this thing from Fashion Fair. It's actually a foundation. So just in case if you go looking for it, it is not a contour stick, it is an actual foundation. But I don't, there's a lot of like foundation sticks that I actually don't like for foundation, but I will use them for what do you call that, for contour, because they blend nicely. For that, for some reason I feel like they stay very greasy on my face. So which is why I don't use them, but ow, you know, there's this like suspicious stuff that they say back home, like somebody's talking about you when you hit your elbow, like and this is my slick brush. I'm just blending this. And I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty in Banana Bread. Oh, by the way, if you guys interested, I'm actually drinking Buddha's Brew kombucha, and I'm obsessed with this kombucha, and this one is limited edition. Hopefully they keep it, because so far it's one of my favorites, and it's the hibiscus rose. It is so good if you like kombucha, because my husband hates kombuchas, and I know hate might be a strong word, but I'm pretty sure he hates them. But I love them. I think I like fermented drink like that, or drinks like this. So, you know, my husband likes juices and stuff like that, but I think that's where he drew the line, is at kombuchas. I love it. I could drink a kombucha every day. I don't drink it every day because it does have a lot of like sugar and stuff. But yeah. So first I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna use my Alleyoop brush, because this is the last brush I use in here. So we're gonna use this, and I'm gonna put this. Let's do this on this side. I'm gonna use this from Laura Mercier. It is the Tropic Hues. It's a blush. I'm just gonna like, not a lot of happening. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to do like a little style situation, but who knows? I'm gonna use this. This is Ransom from Urban Decay. It's like literally pretty much done. In my waterline. Well, that did not really do much. Just gonna do a little bit of this, that dark shade. Doop 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 doop. I hope people always message me like literally every time I'm recording. I'm like, you know, I've been home all day, like, you know, because usually on Sundays we're like on the streets nice and early, and today we haven't. Today we have actually been home, but we're definitely about to, you know, be gone. Okay, we're almost done. Let's do something to the lip real quick. Not anything crazy on my lip. This is from Ace Beauty, which is broken, so not that. Let's do Versatile Chestnut from Makeup Forever. And what do I want for the lip real quick? Let's use Buttergloss from NYX in Mandelion. Yep. And let us spray the face, not with this, but with this. Scandinavia. Whew. Okay, so I am actually gonna go hang out with the husband. I think this look, you know, is semi, not too crazy. So yeah, just gonna go have dinner, do a little shopping, have dinner, and then just chill. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.